going on, man? It's Junior Boom, man. JRB Customs. Just got a sunroof out of a 2009 Pontiac G6. Took that out. I want to do the test run to see how we working. See if we can get her to crank up, lift up, and slide back. Let's see the results we can get. And I'm gonna test this on out real quick.
Mine.
Let's see what we can get.
Mommy.
Going on YouTube, man. JRB, right here, JRB Customs. And I got the sunroof. Got my stuff taped up and got it all set for how I'm about to do it. This is what it's gonna look like. Where I'm gonna set it at. Got a door over there. We know. We getting in, we know stuff it, we got the stuff in here. About to get her in. I'm about to cut this out and we get back with it. Sit her in the hole. Gonna get back with you when we got this set on YouTube. JRB in the flat cuss. Got the sunroof in.
Damn.
It's looking good. Got it cut out. I just got to do the setting and get it right. I just want that one right like that. I want to see it like this real quick.
And it's some higher?
Nah, I gotta do the work on it.
You gotta weld it in.
I'm a big sunroof. Yeah, we in there. JRB Customs. Get ready to weld my roof in. See, we getting it ready. About to start knocking her out, getting it nice and going. You know, looking nice and neat in there and flush. I'll get back with y'all. Look at me now, man. I'm in the center of the LS, man. She knocked out of there. Look, she knocked out of there. LS, baby. Sunroof. You got a beast motor. Getting her done, man. That's what I do. JRB Customs, baby. Knock it out one time, knock it out one time, knock it out one time. Slide a road. There she is. Yeah, baby, she working. YouTube JRB out here in the building, man. Got the sunroof in, man. I'm working on it. Damn near complete with it. She's smooth. Smooth. She looking real good in there. She looking real good in there. Oh, yeah, can't mess that up. Got bro over there doing the parts on the front brakes. We getting that in there. LS 86 Monte Carlo with sunroof, 6.0 swap coming soon, man. Look at that hole in the roof too. Going on YouTube. Do this. JRB back in the building in effect. Got the sunroof done, roof done. Got it all smoothed out. Look good. Just a few little minor low spots, but other than that, everything's smooth. Looking good. She in there flush all the way around, as you can see. Looking good for the one time. Looking good for the one time. Man. She in there, baby. Yeah, we got her going. Also hooked up. Show y'all what she looking like in effect with the sun, with the top done. We're gonna let her up. Okay. And she slide back. She in there flushing good. Next step, primer down. Try to get the few low spots finished. She ready to go. Ready for paint. Get back with you on the next one.